Welcome guys to my new video. My dear technician, check this out. This is my fellow technician. He brought this phone to me for repair. My dear technician, the problem of this phone is graphics. You may ask, Father Joe, what is graphics? The graphics are the images that you normally see on the phone screen. So we call them graphics, okay? My dear technician, before the images, which is the graphics shows on the screen, the IC that is responsible for the graphics must work. Now, the problem of this phone is the graphics IC. The graphics IC is not working. So that is why the phone is not showing anything. My dear technician, check this out. He brought the phone for me for repair and now it's working. This is the proof. My dear technician, it took me approximately 7 days for me to fix this issue. You may ask, Father Joe, why did it took you too long to fix it? Yes, number one is because the technician that brought this phone to me removed the IC. So it took me some time for me to do a research and finally know the number of the graphics IC. After that, I have to order for the IC before I was able to fix it. My dear technician, I will show you everything step by step for you guys to see. But before then, let me allow you guys to hear his voice.
As you can see, this phone was on blue light. It wasn't display, no graphics. So I couldn't find the IC that was the same thing with this one that was here. So I just took it to Father Joe and now replace it, and the phone worked very well for me, and the customer will enjoy it.
My dear technician, so this is a phone. You can see it's a phone. So a technician like me brought this phone to me. According to him, he told me that the phone is not displaying anything on the screen exception of the blue, okay, just the background blue color, no graphics, okay. So when he brought the phone, there was no IC, there was no graphics IC. He removed it. Now normal thing, you have to troubleshoot and check whether it's going to work or not. So he removed it and he could not be able to find the same IC and replace it. So we brought it here for repair, and you can see right now that it's working. I've repaired it, it's working. I put another graphics IC, is working perfectly.
My dear technician, check this out. This is the phone PCB and this is the graphics IC. My dear technician, check this out. I took my time. I carefully place it. Take your time to do this. Do not rush. My dear technician, take your time to do this. All these things are very simple. They are very simple to repair. My dear technician, sometimes the problem we have is getting the IC. That is one of the problems we normally have. Getting the IC is stressful, okay? Check this out. Just take your time to do this. Check this out. I'm taking my time to do it. Check this out, my dear technician. Check this out. I'm not using microscope. I'm not in any way using microscope, my dear technician. Check this out. I'm not using microscope. Check this out. I took my time to do this. If you have questions, you're free. Let me know in the comment section. My dear technician, just take your time to do this. Do not rush. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Check this out, my dear technician. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Check this out. Check this out. Make sure you take your time to do it. Check this out. I'm using my workstation to apply the heat and the airflow. Check this out. Make sure that you're using a normal temperature for this. If not, the graphics IC will break. Have in mind that the graphics IC is glass, so a small mistake you do, you'll damage everything, okay? So take your time to do this. Have in mind that you order for the IC. If you do mistake and the IC spoil, you will not be happy. So you have to be very careful. Check this out. Make sure you set it very well. As you can see, I'm done. No time to waste, my dear technician. I'm done. If you have questions, make sure you ask me in the comment section. if you have any question. If you want to learn this, come for my physical training and learn. I will teach you all of this. Check this out. Make sure you cool down the panel with your tools. Make sure you have tools for phone so that you'll be able to work phone perfectly. Check this out, my technician. I'm done. Check this out. Check this out. My technician, let me explain something for you guys. When you get a PCB like this, I mean a phone, there's no display on the screen, I mean there's no graphics. Make sure you check the 5 volt, confirm if the 5 volt is supplying. If it's supplying, you're good to go. The next thing for you to check other component. My technician, there are a lot of things that you need to check before you can remove the IC. Check this out, my technician. Check this out. I want to test it now for you guys to see. If you have any question, feel free. You may ask, Father Joe, why are you not using schematic for this? My technician, I understand PCB to an extent that I don't really need schematic, okay? Seriously, I'm telling you the truth, my technician. I don't really need schematic because I really understand deeply how PCB works. A lot of people have been saying in the comment section, Father Joe, get schematic, subscribe for schematic, buy schematic. My technician, I don't really need it because I really understand how PCB works. Okay, if you have question, feel free, let me know in the comment section. If you have any question that you want to ask me, feel free, let me know in the comment section. My technician, I want to turn on the phone right now. Check this out for you guys to see. This is live proof, my technician, live proof. I don't hide things. I think this is the first time I post this kind of video, this graphics IC video. I've not been posting it. I just say let me post it for you guys to see that I know how to do all of this. Okay, don't think, don't panic. All of these are very simple. 1, 2, ready, and boom. Check this out. The phone is power on. You can see now in Phoenix shows. Check this out, my technician. This is 100% done. Check this out. If you have any question, feel free, let me know in the comment section. Feel free. Check this out. I'm done. Now I want to test if the touch pad is functioning. My technician, you can see it is functioning. I'm happy. Now I will enjoy my money. 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 I'm happy. Yeah, I'm happy. My technician, this is what I do for a living. I repair phone for a living. I was born for this. Check this out. 100% fix. Display IC. Yes, graphics IC. Check this out, my technician. Check this out. It's fixed. 100% done. Check this out, my technician. If you have any question, like I said before, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section, my technician. Feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Check this out. I'm done. I'm done, my technician. Very simple. You don't need to stress yourself. You can see. I want you guys to see. You can see this is the PCB. I've not changed it. It's still the same PCB. This is live proof. This is live proof. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video. I love you all.